Good evenings, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. In this video, I'll be giving you my outlook on the SPX through Thursday and Friday, what to do and what not to do, and we'll take a look at Apple, Amazon, and Tesla. So what we noticed for the past couple of days is that we came back within our expect to move boxes that we know. So a good thing that we're inside the boxes. And if we look at 1 day, 1 hour chart, we notice that our SPX is being very volatile. You can see the low as 2621 and the high as 2685. Until tomorrow, I'm going to have a different outlook on the SPX. I'm going to be targeting in the short term Thursday and Friday session. I'm going to be targeting 2700. So tomorrow I have a bullish outlook on the SPX based on technical, and I'll be looking at 2600 once again. So right here. If we pass that, there could be a rally onto next week. Again, nothing is safe to hold over the weekend. As you can see, the past 2 days, people buy this up and lock a profit and they sell it at the end of the day. One thing I'm still concerned about is our financials, XLF. For our financials, it was up like 30 cents something, and then now only by 14 cents. And as you know, we are outside these boxes, so before we move inside, I'm not going to hold anything at the end of the day. My plan is to lock my profit and just wait till the next day. So just be very careful, and let's take a look at ES really quick. On the ES Mini, our SP 500 futures, we up $4, which is a bullish sign, because for the past 7 to 8 trading sessions, as people mentioned, ES is always down. So yesterday and today we have a green on the ES. Let's move on to SPY. I'm going to change my outlook on SPY to a bullish onto tomorrow and Friday's session. So on the SPY, I'll be targeting 2685 for this week. See if we can push to it and hold on to it. Because today we went as high as I think 2627 something, but tomorrow we'll be looking at 2675 and 268. So just remember that. Let's take a look at Apple. With Apple, we ripped and it failed to retest 172. I am still going to have a bullish outlook on Apple because it's trying so hard to pass 171.8, and then we held that for a little bit. So tomorrow I'm gonna see a retest again to 172. After that, we're gonna have a breakout to 174. This is a strong resistance right here, so let's see if we can break this tomorrow. And we'll take a look at Amazon. On Amazon yesterday, I called it it's going to touch 1700 and most likely gonna reject. And today Amazon tried to hit the 1702, 1703, but it bounced off that point 3 or 4 times, and it is the 200 days moving average. So tomorrow I am going to see Amazon trying to retest the 1700 again, and then see if we can pass that and on to 1710. If we pass 1710, the next stop at 1720. So what we notice here, we are inside, well, we just barely inside the 0.382 area. So most likely we're going to trade within the 0.5 range in the next couple of days. It'll be nice if you can catch Amazon at 1710, and then you see a weaker sign, 1710, 1711, maybe 1715, and then get a 1650 put for Friday and trying to sell at the end of Friday's session. And the next one we'll be looking at is Tesla. I think I have one saved. Yes, I did. This stock is just everywhere, and I think it's kind of manipulated. For Tesla, they don't have a great balance sheet, and they are almost at all-time high. So just look at the risk reward ratio. You're looking at this. So right now Tesla closed at 366. How far can you run to reach the next resistance? Right here, 379. So you're risking about $13 profit to a potential downside of how much? We're talking about like $100. So if you know what I mean, I wouldn't play a call or buy into Tesla, because if you just look at the history of Tesla. Like how high can it go? Like 382, 386. Right here we have 383. So the risk is high, the reward is very small. So in the long term, I'm not gonna say in the long term, in the short one, I want to see if Tesla can come back to this gap right here at 350. Maybe Friday, maybe Monday, but just be careful playing Tesla. If you want to get a put, I would suggest you do 3 to 4 weeks put. Maybe this thing can rip or face out to the upside. But again, we have to see the next resistance, which is right at this point right here, 380, and then we have an immediate resistance around 372. But if we run to the upside, 372, easy to break. But the next tough one to break is 380. That's it for my video. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next one.